My moms are not, yo, nigga, it's all good. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? More so now.
You turn them the downfall, whatever good.
Yeah, the evil.
Yeah, the bad side of it.
Yeah.
While others spit that Wonderama shit, me and my conglomerate shall remain anonymous. Caught up in the finer shit, we sick of broken promises. The streets is full of politics, these teachers won't acknowledge it. They think we on some drama shit. I know I made my mama sick, I put her through a lot of shit. She know I'm always popping shit, try but she can't stop the shit. I tried to do the opposite, learned it and adopted it. You broke then we can doctor it, I'm something like an optimist. I ask you what the real is, you act like you forgotten it. Mook caught a sentence, that shit hurt me bro, I cried and shit. Gave my nigga 5, it got me feeling like he died and shit. Survived, he's still alive and shit. Now we on some lava shit. Working, raise his kids, my boy really on this father shit. Back when we was kids, we was really on some violent shit. Just to keep it real, a lot of niggas ain't survived the shit. 26 years and I don't believe that Bible shit. I know that God is real, but it's these humans I got problems with. All these new ideas, but I know they full of lies and shit. How we supposed to live when these people that we following don't follow the rules, they just cheat and don't acknowledge it. They think that shit is cool, but they give us no apology. Honestly, I think that shit is bothering. See, lately I've been wandering. Watch you plant the seeds and try to water it. I guess that's just your version of an offering. See, I ain't trying to start again and shipping out of style like a cardigan. I watch you take my confidence and market it. You got me on some martyr shit, running to the crowd like Marcus Smart and shit, trying to paint me out like I'm a narcissist. See, I've been on some heartless shit. I try to hold it in, you make me part the shit. Now I'm to the point I want no parts of it. If not for Mama Tab, I'd probably be on some harsher shit. 20 years in prison, no visits, like on some darker shit. I spent time in the trenches, I'm vivid, I ain't just talking it. Me and Drew, I'm tripping, we pitching and fuck the laws and shit. Taking Austin, dipping to Denton, just on some floss and shit. Nicely in the kitchen with liquor as I recall the shit. A nigga played with Haley, we whooped him, you should've saw the shit. Summer 2012 was amazing, remember all the shit. Yeah, remember all the shit.
It's heaven and then there's hell, niggas. One day you cruising in the 7, the next day your alibis ain't matching up. Bullshit catching up. You hit with the Rico, they repo that vehicle. Shit was all good just a week ago. About to start snitching, ain't you? Ready to start bitching, ain't you? I forgive you. Hustling just ain't you.